Sunday I was going to cheat code of it.
They should see the love that we have.
Kaizer Chiefs, the best team in South Africa.
Emotions. This league is gonna show us films.
Greetings everybody, back again. Dimza Sport Entertainment, we're back. Today we're at Mamelodi, analyzing Soweto Derby. Orlando Pirates 3, Kaizer Chiefs 0. Orlando Pirates on top of the table. I'm with the biggest fan, Kosi Kaizer Chiefs fan, the biggest one. Ngamba no one la.
Well, Wamba no kwejela.
Yeah, Skipan, how was the game?
Ifetel Kulu le Kaizer Chiefs.
Yeah.
Yes, the game was very obvious.
Yeah.
Even a small child.
Yeah.
When it comes to Betway or whatever, they were very sure that Chiefs gonna lose.
Yeah.
Chiefs gonna. I'm a Chiefs fan.
Yeah.
And then even where I'm staying, they know very well that I'm a what number?
Yeah.
Not number 2 or number 1 fan.
Yeah.
So to expect miracles from heaven, how can we beat Pirates?
Yeah.
If we, I'm talking here.
Yeah.
How can we beat Pirates? We failed to beat Stellenbosch.
Yeah.
They crippled Stellenbosch.
Yeah.
They were playing players out of position.
Yeah.
Yes, as Kaizer Chiefs fan, we expected the derby to change, but because we don't have coach, it's like a house that doesn't have a man. Anyone can go in. Today's going to what? This one's going in. Kaizer Chiefs, or let me say Kaizer Junior, while he's still sitting there as a Chiefs director.
They bring people as a translator.
Oh, can you please wait? Can you please wait?
Yeah, get the code.
I love football.
Yeah.
I love football.
Yeah.
To be honest, guys, each and every one of you here, we knew very well what was going to happen.
Yeah.
How can we expect Chiefs to beat Pirates without a coach? They fired Nabi without a valid reason. But they made the media to sell the wrong information. They said no, Nabi doesn't have a paper to coach on international level. But each and everyone knew Nabi was coaching young Africans. So as Kaizer Chiefs, I believe we've been weak, but we need this soon. Listen to me. They are playing with us. This thing, if you can send it virally, let them down wake up. Let them sell the shares to someone who can give people of South Africa. Kaizer Chiefs, half of South African people are supporting Kaizer Chiefs. The economy is going to go down because of Kaizer Chiefs. If Chiefs is winning, this is a fact. If Chiefs is winning, the economy is going high. Even Malima was there. In his heart. I don't care what he's supporting, but I'm talking about the economy of the country. If Chiefs is
What was he supporting?
Malima supporting Pirates, obviously. So guys, congratulations to Pirates. They deserve it. And then even though, let me tell you, okay, all right. Let me tell you something. Even myself, on Hollywood, I bet Pirates.
Against Chiefs.
Yes! I want money. Chiefs they don't pay us. Sorry, that's me. I'm talking about myself. I'm talking about myself. You see, you know what? Chiefs, they never deposited 20 rand voucher. If Chiefs, they don't improve their structure, how can Chiefs coach by a character coach for 17 games?
My brother,
I'm asking you, wait. How can Kaizer Chiefs be coached by a character coaches for 80 to 17 games? The big brand like Kaizer Chiefs in Europe, they were watching these games. How many shots on target do you have? Only 2. And then the 2 of shot on target, it was very poor. So you expect us to say, no, guys, hey, we're Pirates. You can post me or don't post me. Congratulations to Pirates. But
I just have a question for you. Just one question.
Why is it that Chiefs decided to introduce Miguel, who has not been playing in the past 3 or 4 games?
Well, if you watch again,
Yeah.
Miguel did very well. Only Monyane. Kaizer Chiefs supporters were blaming
Yeah.
the coaches to say, nah, how can you put Solomon? Monyane is finished.
Yeah.
He was finished when he was still playing for us, but
That's
Kaizer
what
picked
you
him.
are asking me.
Yeah.
Miguel,
Yeah.
if you compare Miguel and Quiniga,
Yeah.
Miguel did very well today.
Yeah.
Miguel did very well.
Yeah.
Chiefs were nowhere to be found. If you are a coach, how can you leave Ngobo? Or in the first place, how do you put Ngobo in the first lineup?
Yeah.
He has proven himself against Stellenbosch. He was nowhere to be found.
Yes.
But you expect him to perform miracles against Pirates.
Yeah.
He's match fit.
Yes.
And he's not match fit. If I was a coach, let me tell you the lineup.
Yeah.
Post it there on the social medias. Can I tell you?
Yeah.
Yes, Peterson is injured. But Vuma, he has never improved. He's got 15 years of development on Kaizer Chiefs,
Yeah.
but he has never improved.
Okay, Kosi, I can hear everything you said, ne? What is the solution? Way forward now.
Solution.
Tell them straight. Kaizer Chiefs.
Solution,
Yeah.
solution, get pizza
Yeah.
or get any coach, experienced coach.
Mangoba Mniti.
No, don't
Yeah.
tell me about the boys.
Okay, Pizzo.
Chiefs can't be coached by a small boy.
Yeah.
Mangoba is a small boy. He never coached Sundown as assistant.
Yeah.
Get pizza or get a European coach
Yeah.
to coach Kaizer Chiefs.
Yeah.
Don't get amateurs from from Africa.
Yeah.
You expect them to perform against Kaizer Chiefs.
Yeah.
Nabi wondered why did they fire Nabi?
Kosi, let's finish this during the week. Thank you.
Thank you very much.
Danko.
Why